Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Robin here. Welcome to today's dividend investing case study update. Every single week I do a dividend investing case study update where I take a portfolio that we built 100% from scratch. Every single week we put about $100 or so into this portfolio. We buy some stocks and we grow it over time. And this is a investing case study that I started like when I first built this channel. And one thing I want to mention today, guys, is I got some good news. Is the channel just finally hit 1,000 subscribers the other day. The support you guys have been giving me lately has been really great, and I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed to the channel. Appreciate everybody who watches my videos, everybody who leaves comments. I just want to say a big thank you to all you guys for supporting me. Really is crazy. I didn't think the channel would grow this quick, and over the past little while it's just been awesome. So thank you very much, guys. I'm pretty pumped. We're going to be applying for monetization pretty shortly. I still got a little more watch time to get. We got about 100 or 200 more hours of watch time, so we might be able to get that over the next couple days. So we'll be applying for monetization, and then once that get approved, I'll probably do an update video and show you guys, and maybe like talk about how I got monetized in this channel, and maybe do a video like that, and we can kind of celebrate it. Maybe even do a live stream. I don't know. We'll kind of see how things go. Yeah, thank you guys. I just want to do a quick little shout out for that. You guys are amazing, and thank you for reaching 1,000 subscribers on the channel. So here's my tax-free savings account. Once again, guys, if you guys miss this dividend investing case study and you want to follow along with me, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll also link to the entire playlist, so if you guys want to watch the previous week's videos all the way from the start to where we are today, I'll link to that playlist. You guys can check out that playlist. It'll be somewhere in the comment section. You guys can follow along with me. But once again, like, I just want to say really quickly that this dividend investing case study, it's meant to show you guys how easy it is to get started with investing in stocks and growing your income, and how over time that can really start to grow and add up to be a lot of money. So our account we're sitting at today is about 2,604 Canadian, and an all-time high we are a negative down $180. So we're down 8% negative all time. So obviously stocks are still kind of going down. We're still on our way up, and we're slowly putting money into the portfolio every single week, which is how you can see the growth. So even though like stocks really went down a lot, you can see right here, and I think it was like March sometime, they crashed down quite a bit. But you can see even though like the stocks have been going down a lot, regularly putting money on a weekly basis, you can see this portfolio has grown quite a bit over time, and it will continue to grow until the end of time, basically until we stop investing. But this whole point of this series is to show you guys how easy it is for beginners to get started with investing. And if you just put a little bit of money every single week, it doesn't have to be $100. It can be $10. It can be $20. It can be $50. It can be $500. Whatever you guys want to invest, kind of thing. Over time, as long as you be consistent with it, it will grow and it will get somewhere. So that's our totals right now. And once again, we're still growing this every single week. You just got to stick with it. Here's our portfolio. As you can see, we have a bunch of different stocks in here, a little mix of everything. I'm going to do something a little bit different this week. For this week, this is something I haven't done for a while, but in the past, every now and then I would do something where I'd let you guys pick the stocks that I invest. So what I want to do for this week is, if you guys want to leave in the comments, let me know what stock you guys want me to invest, and the stock, whatever the ticker is, you can leave the name, the ticker, whatever you guys want to do, and whatever one gets the most likes or gets the most mentions, or like the combination of the two, is the one I will invest in. So I've done this in the past here and there, so I'm gonna let you guys kind of like be a part of my dividend investing case study and grow with me here, and let me know what you guys want me to invest. The only thing you have to, it has to be a dividend based stock. So as long as it pays a dividend, let me know in the comments, and the one that gets the most mentions and the most likes will be the one I invest into. So here's the ones we got so far. Once again, this portfolio is mostly built off ETFs, but you can see we sprinkled a few stocks here and there. Like we got Enbridge right here, we got PIF, Polaris Infrastructure, we have RNW, we have Shaw, we have TD. We have a few individual stocks that we sprinkled in here and there, and a lot of these were like recommendations that you guys gave me. And then we got some ETFs at the bottom here, just to kind of like diversify and have like a wide range of stocks. But once again, the whole idea is to diversify into the market, get dividends from all different companies, different high quality companies, and over time that will allow our portfolio to go over time. So once again, if you guys let me know what you guys want me to invest in the comments, and we'll go from there. And then next week, when I do my next week's update, I'll actually pick that stock. Or actually, what I'll do is after a couple days, when my transfer goes through for this week, I will use this week's money to buy that stock. So yeah, and then next week we'll do something different. So just let me know on that, guys. And once again, before we kind of move on here, I'm just going to do a quick little update to show you guys if we got any dividends for this week. I don't think we have any dividends. And then after this, we will jump over to the spreadsheet, and you guys can see, I'll go over like our dividends and how much we made and stuff like that. And there's some other things I want to talk about there. But here's our dividends. Once again, for May, we only have 2 so far. We got a 94-cent dividend from VDY, then a 55-cent from VRE. Actually, no, that's in my personal account. We have to filter this. Sorry, guys. Just want to go tax-free savings account. And yeah, the only one we got for our dividends is from VDY for May, and that was 94 cents. So just a little one, but we are approaching the end of the month, and the end of the month is where all our big dividends come in. As you guys can see here, like that's where the bulk of the dividends come in. So maybe next weekish, maybe 2 weeks from now, we'll be able to start adding some more dividends to our monthly portfolio, and we can kind of see what we'll be earning for May. But anyways, let's jump over the spreadsheet and let's take a peek at how the portfolio has earned overall until where we are today. Alright, so we're inside our spreadsheet here. I hope you guys can see this. Hopefully I made it big enough. But this is our earnings from the dividend portfolio. Once again, every single week I like to update on this just so anybody who's new to the channel can see, you can kind of see how things are going, and it's just an update to show you guys, like, that over time, investing into the portfolio and building out over time will basically guarantee that we're going to be making money. And we're just focusing once again on the dividends because stocks go up, stocks go down, especially right now. Everything is like so up and down. Like 1 week we're down, and then a lot, and then we recover a little bit, and then we're back down, and it's just going back and forth. So the only thing I'm really going to pay attention to is the dividends, because the dividends, the whole purpose of dividend-based stocks is to kind of get that passive monthly income coming through, and then over time, like yes, over time the stocks will appreciate in value and the prices will go up too. But once again, the whole thing is about that consistent dividend income, so that when we get older, I can kind of rely on some sort of basic consistent income to some degree, right? And for now I am reinvesting all my dividends, of course, because it's the best thing you can do. But over time, at some point in time, I if I want to cut back on my work, or if I want to kind of get into the point where I want to retire to some degree, or like I said, just cut back on my work, at least these dividends that I'm getting on a monthly basis can like pretty much guarantee that I'm going to be able to have some consistent income if I ever need it for whatever reason. So in January, the first month of this dividend investing case study, we made 44 cents. So pretty low month, but that's just the way it is. And February made $1.61. So if you look at this, this is quite a bit of an increase. Like 44 cents doesn't sound that much, but $1.61, that's almost like a 200% increase or something. Like that's quite a bit when you think about it. Same here, like in March, $1 to $4, that's like triple or quadruple. My math isn't very good once again, guys, but let's like triple the $1.61. And then going from April, we only got $1 increase, but May we should see about like I don't know how much we're going to make in May, but I'd say something that might be like $7 or $8, or maybe even $10. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But you can see here that like it really does add up over time, and it starts to like once you get that like that doubling effect kind of going on, all of a sudden $5 becomes $8, $8 becomes $12, $12 becomes $18, $18 becomes $25, and you can kind of see it just keeps kind of going from there. So over time it really does add up. And over here on the right side I have total dividends earned. I'm just going to bold that. That's $13.22. So basically up until from when we first started this portfolio, this is all these basically just added up together. So almost at the end of 5 months, we made $13.22 from our dividend portfolio, and that will slowly increase over time. So hope you guys found this spreadsheet helpful. Once again, I know this is pretty basic and we're not doing too much in terms of tracking. I know some of you guys mentioned in the comments that I should add some other things, and I will kind of like make it a little bit more in depth once I get some free time. But I just want to do this quick little video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what stock you guys want me to invest for this week. I'd love to hear it. And thank you everybody for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and please smash that like button to support the channel. And thank you guys once again. I really appreciate hitting 1,000 subscribers. I just, I don't have any words to say. I just thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys later.